In this next series, we will do a real-world scenario utilizing the TASER Pulse 2. Christy will demonstrate this. She will have a strong mindset and be situationally aware. In addition, she will manage distance from potential threats at all times. I will give her a series of commands to illustrate this reenactment. The first will be ready. On the command of ready, Christy will assume a good, solid fighting platform. She will also use her voice as a means of self-defense. On the command of arm, she will brandish the taser. She will continue to use her voice as a means of self-defense. Along with the brandishing of the taser, this should send a strong message that Christy will defend herself. When I say threat, she will pull the trigger and the probes will go downrange into the target. We will look for incapacitation of the subject. Christy will continue to assess, seeking the best opportunity to escape. Christy, you ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Get back!
Arm.
Get back! Get back!
Threat.
Stop!
Assess. Assess. There is NMI. With NMI achieved, Christy will seek to escape. For 30 seconds, the individual is incapacitated, while Christy seeks safety. Notice the probe spread. We would like to get 12 inches of probe spread for greater NMI. In the event that you use your TASER Pulse 2 for self-defense, TASER has a safe escape replacement guarantee. Upon filing a police report, TASER will replace your device at no cost to you.